Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hair Really. My name is Faisal, and in this video I'm gonna be doing a skincare routine for nighttime. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So yeah, I normally post videos about my hair transplant, like the progress and things like that. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check them out. I basically got a hair transplant 6 weeks ago in my frontal hairline, right here and here. And right now there's not much going on with that. So I decided to do my skincare routine for nighttime on camera and post it for you guys. So my first step is cleansing my skin. Alright, so first thing first, get your favorite face cleanser or face wash, and you want to get it in your hand, then apply it on your face, of course. Honestly, like, this video is not a commercial. I'm not like trying to promote any products or anything like that or sell anything like that. Just use whatever you think is good. So I'm just using my products, and I'm using a gel cleanser right now. It's normally for oily skin, and I have really dry skin, but I'm using this because I like how it lathers, and when I'm trying to exfoliate and like really cleanse my skin, I use this. But otherwise I would use like a cream cleanser for dry skin. And yeah.
So I want to talk about something. Sometimes like self-care and doing things for ourselves feels like a chore. And it's hard to kind of like, at night, like brush your teeth when you're really tired. Or like do a facial or like take a shower. And this eventually, like, I feel like wears on us by, feeling like more stressed and things like that. So it's good to kind of remind ourselves that we have to take care of ourselves so we can last longer and be the best version of ourselves. So what I'm doing right now is just using like kind of like circular motion and kind of like going all over my skin and just kind of getting rid of all the pollution and dirt that I collected throughout the day. After that, since I'm sitting recording videos, I'm gonna get my chamois cloth and wipe off this cleanser off my face.
And after that I'm gonna steam my face. So I just turned on my steamer. It takes a minute to start.
So what the steamer does, it basically opens your pores and helps soften the upper layer of your skin, which is called epidermis, and kind of like preps your skin for the mask or the treatments.
I'll try to show you like how it looks. So that's my facial steamer that I'm gonna be using in this video. And by the way, guys, welcome to my bathroom and my closet. It's a different location. Normally I'm like in the living room recording my videos. I can hear the water starting to boil. Exciting. So if you decide to steam your face, it's not recommended to steam it for more than 10 minutes, honestly, because you don't want to burn your face. And also, if you don't have a steamer like mine, I bought mine from Amazon. If you don't have a steamer, what you can do is just get in the shower, like really like hot steamy shower, and this should do the job. Or you can do something else, which we used to do when we were kids back home with my siblings. We would like boil some water in a pot. We sometimes like put like chamomile or like some herbs like rosemary and like boil that and then turn it off and get a big towel and put our face like kind of a little bit far from the pot because it's really hot. You don't want to burn your face. Just kind of put the towel on top, and then we would steam our face and then do whatever we needed to do after. So that's just like some hacks if you don't have that. you know, you can do other things. So now I have all that cleanser removed. I'm gonna set this to the side, and I'm just gonna wait for the steamer to start. Then I'm gonna steam my face, and I'll be back in a little bit when it starts steaming. Alright, the steamer is about to be ready. Alright, I see steam coming out, but not much. Let's do some aromatherapy. Spray something around. Smells good. And I'm just gonna steam my face. It actually feels really good. I feel like a spoiled brat monkey.
Monkey, cute monkey. So, have you guys steamed your face before? If yes, tell me about your favorite mask or things you like to use for your skincare down in the comment section. But I like the steamer, honestly. I bought it about like 2 years ago, and it's still working really hard for me. And there's like I can take this attachment and put like another one, like a hooded dryer, but it's a steamer. I can do like steam my hair, helps moisturize.
But this is what you want to do basically.
You just let it kind of steam your face, let your face sweat, and get all that dead skin looser. So you can just take like kind of get the dead skin off your skin.
And yeah, just don't do it for more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be fine, or less, of course.
You see my lips? I'm silly. Like as you can see, I'm starting to sweat. This moisture from the steamer is making me sweat. I don't know if that makes sense actually. Never mind. Scratch that thought.
So I'm gonna steam my face, and I'll be back for step number 3. So keep on watching. And now the steamer is done steaming my face. As you can see, my face is red from the stimulation of heat. And it's a little bit red here. My skin feels moisturized, feels tighter, feels soft. What I'm gonna do now is tone my skin, prep it for the mask. This will help balance the pH of your skin and also help improve the porosity of the skin so you can get the most out of your mask. So what I chose to do for this video is a clay mask. Clay masks normally help draw out any excess oils from your skin and like dirt. And it helps just make it look clearer because it's not as dirty. So you want to apply a thick layer, and I'm just looking at the mirror now because, well, I can look in the camera. It's a little bit harder, but whatever. We can learn together. Yep, so my skin feels tingly right now. It's a cold mask, feels good. By the way, today oh, it's here. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to give the middle finger. I trimmed my beard, as you can tell. I have beard all the time. Most of the time, let's say, not all the time. But I decided I need a change and I want something different look. So I went ahead and I trimmed my beard. And I don't know, it's different. I don't like it. What do you guys think of the no beard look? Do you think I should go back to beard or keep this clean face look? Or should I just maybe even take my goatee out? Let me know. Let me know. Let's not forget about these things here. Okay. Now I have a thick layer of this clay mask on my face and it feels cool. I look like a ghost.
Or like a monster, like Frankenstein. But after this, I'm gonna look like Barbie or Ken. I don't know. Goodness. I need help.
So, yep, that's what the mask should look like in my world. I don't know what it would look in your world. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and I'll be back and I'll show you how I'm gonna take it off.
Keep on watching.
Alright guys, I'm back 10 minutes later. This is how it looks. It's a little bit dry. No, actually, it's dry. And I'm about to take it off, the clay mask. Then, what I'm gonna use is an exfoliant. It's like a liquid. It helps refine your skin.
So you can wash it off, or you can just use a hot towel and just wipe it off. Just like that. It can be gentle on your skin.
So when people use like bar soap on their face, it makes me cringe. Because that bar soap has sulfates in it. Not that all sulfates are bad for you, but it's really harsh on your skin and it's gonna dry it out. And that will make your skin more oily. Because you're stripping out all this moisture and the natural oil from it. And then that eventually will cause some acne and skin imbalances. So you don't want to use bar soap. You want to make sure there's no residue left. I'm gonna look at it really quick. Alright, looking good. Skin feeling soft.
I'm just gonna do one more just for shits and giggles. Because I'm OCD like that.
Think we're good. Now step number 4, I think. I'm gonna get this cotton and I'm gonna use this exfoliant liquid. Exfoliant.
And it smells really good. And you wanna go over your whole skin and wipe it off. This way you ensure that you got everything out of your skin from the clay mask and dirt. You want to focus on your nose.
So my goal from this facial is to renew my skin to help make my pores look smaller. And when you exfoliate your skin, which it's recommended to do that a few times a week, that, you know, you're letting your skin know that you got rid of that dead skin that was sitting on your face, and then your skin instantly regenerate new cells. That's good. Keeps you looking young and fresh. So yeah, I don't know. Can concentrate. That step is done. I'm gonna tone my skin again.
Smells got pH. It's like a drink of water for your skin.
Smells good, 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 good. Feeling soft and amazing. Now I'm gonna use my serum. Wow. Oops. I'm using anti-aging firming
Serum. Just about 4 pumps is good. You want to apply it all over your skin real quick.
Now it's eye cream time. This eye cream is anti-aging and it helps brighten dark spots, which I suffer from that, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. So I'm gonna show you a really good trick or eye ritual that you can do at home. So you always want to use your ring finger for your eyes, because eyes are the most sensitive place on your face, And you want to start from the corner and you want to swipe to the side. And you want to apply some pressure in the corner and then swipe to the middle, apply some pressure and swipe again to the corner. So puffy eyes and eyes, sometimes there's water that builds up underneath the eyes that causes like bags, which I do have that too since I was a kid. My mom used to put like tea or green tea or black tea cloths on my eyes to make them less puffy. So you just want to swipe away. This will help move all that water built up underneath your eyes and make them look less puffy. This will help firm. After this is done, gonna moisturize our skin now.
As I said, this is like an advanced regimen. What you can do is just cleanse your face, moisturize, or cleanse your face, tone, and moisturize.
I think toning your skin is important. I think some people use rose water. I think rose water has the same pH of skin, so you can use that or buy something online or from the drugstore. So now, this is how I like to apply my moisturizer. I see people sometimes put the moisturizer or product in their hand and they do like this, and then it's all gone. You just lost 30 cents. But I apply it like this.
And I like to go with an upward movement. This way, it's the opposite of gravity, which the gravity, brings everything down and causes wrinkles in our faces. So going upwards help firm it a little bit. So you want to just go up, and then circle here. And circle, upwards. It's hard to do it. And then circle, then you want to go up, and circle, and then up.
And as you're doing like a facial massage, it's normal if your skin starts turning red because you're just increasing blood flow into your face, and that's why it turns red, because it's your blood going to your face. And that's a good thing. Blood normally has oxygen and nutrition. Now that my facial is done, I'm gonna drink some water. And I'm gonna take my fish oil pill. Fish oil is good for, just skin, joint, and general health. So that, and we're moisturizing our faces, but you need to moisturize from the inside too by drinking water.
Cheers.
And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe.
Which is thumbs up and subscribe, basically.
And if you have questions for me, drop them down below. And if you want a different kind of skincare video, just let me know down the comment section what you would like to see in my channel, and I'll try, make things happen. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.